Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 6, and my name is Arina Malana, and I'll be the moderator for today's presentation. And next, my friends will introduce themselves.
Hello, I'm Farel Nugraha. My name is Muhammad Fadil Sondaki.
My name is Alia Shukasatran.
My name is Riani Putri Patnindian.
All right, let's begin our presentation about the post-listening activities from the documentary Enron, the smartest guys in the room. Now, I'll pass it to Farel to give a short background about Enron.
Okay, thank you, Arina. The question is, what were the main mistakes made by Enron's leader? Before answering the first question, let me give a short introduction about Enron. Enron was one of the biggest energy companies in the United States. It was once admired for its innovation and success in the energy market, often called America's most innovative company. However, behind that great reputation, the company was actually hiding serious financial problems. The documentary Enron, the smartest guys in the show how the company's leaders take profit and manipulate their accounting to make Enron look successful when it was ready failing fast. For the first question, our group found that the main mistake made by Enron's leaders was prioritizing personal wealth and stock market image over honesty and ethics. Instead of admitting financial losses, they manipulated accounting reports and hid billions of dollars in debt through fake partnerships. They created a toxic corporate culture that rewarded aggressive and unethical behavior, make, making employees afraid to speak up. The leaders ignored early warnings, refused accountability, and focused only on short-term profit and personal bonus. Their decisions were driven by greed instead of responsibility, which eventually led to Enron total collapse and destroyed the life of thousands of employees. This shows how unethical leadership can run not just a company, but also the people who trusted it. Ini sebagai katakan lawan. Next, Riani.
The question is how do accountants have taken this route? For the second question, we discussed that accountants could have driven this by simply following professional ethics and refusing to approve financial statements. Instead of protecting the executive, they should have acted independently and reported suspicious activities to the SEC or SIC, which stands for the Securities and Exchange Commission. Accountants have the responsibility to perform diverse audits, question unusual transaction, and make sure every report is transparent. If they had warned investors and regulators earlier, the financial damage and public harm caused by Enron's collapse could have been greatly reduced. This case reminds us that ethical values in accounting are just as important as technical skill because once public trust is broken, it's very hard to rebuild. Next.
Next, Alia.
Next PPT, please. Okay, thank you to the moderator. So, from our group discussion, we learned that Enron case shows how corporate fraud can destroy both of a company and the people who depends on it. Enron used mark-to-market accounting method to record future profits as if they already exist. This method made the company look successful for a while, but once the truth came out, everything collapsed almost instantly. We also discussed that the biggest issue was not only the accounting system, but also the corporate culture. Enron encouraged competition, risk-taking, and profit at any cost, which is pressured employees to follow an ethical decision. Our group agreed that this case proved how dangerous it is when a company focuses only on a financial performance without any transparency, accountability, or ethical leadership. That's all from me, and I'll give it back to the moderator.
Thank you to all the speakers for your explanation. To conclude, the Enron case teaches us that intelligence and innovation mean nothing without ethics. Fraud may create temporary success, but it always ends in collapse. As future accountants, we must remember that honesty and integrity are the most important values in our profession. That's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.